This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect iPhone to BMW X2 full guide. Start by turning on Bluetooth on your iPhone and opening settings, then enable discoverable mode. On the BMW iDrive screen, open Communication or Bluetooth, choose Add New Device, and select your iPhone. Confirm the pairing code shown on both screens, allow contacts and messages syncing, and test audio by playing music or using a phone call. To set up Apple CarPlay, start by plugging your iPhone into the BMW USB port with a certified Lightning cable and keep your phone unlocked. On the iDrive display, choose Apple CarPlay when the prompt appears, and accept any prompts on your phone to enable features. Allow Siri and notifications for hands-free control, then test navigation and audio. If CarPlay does not appear, restart the phone and reconnect the cable to retry. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tech tips and quick tutorials. On another note, quick recommendation. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh-smelling cabin that pairs nicely with a clean, connected drive and makes road trips better. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, begin by restarting both your iPhone and the BMW iDrive system to clear temporary glitches. Verify that your iOS is up to date and that the BMW software supports Apple CarPlay or Bluetooth features. Try a different certified Lightning cable for wired CarPlay or remove existing Bluetooth devices from the car and re-add your phone. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone and attempt the pairing process again from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.